They lied to you about gut health. You've been told that healing your gut takes months or even years. But what if I told you there's one simple food that can start fixing your gut almost instantly? And no, it's not some expensive probiotic or detox tea. It's something sitting in your kitchen right now. Steel Cut Oats. If you've been struggling with bloating, leaky gut, or chronic inflammation, stick around, because this could be a game changer for you. Your gut controls more than just digestion. It's the foundation of your immune system, mood, energy levels, and even weight management. But when it's compromised, like with leaky gut syndrome, you get inflammation, brain fog, skin breakouts, and constant fatigue. The worst part? Most people make it worse by eating the wrong foods. But Steel Cut Oats? They do the opposite. They repair your gut lining and reduce inflammation naturally. And today, I'll show you exactly how they work, how to use them correctly, and what mistakes to avoid. Let's dive in. What is leaky gut and why it's destroying your health? Leaky gut syndrome is when the lining of your intestines gets damaged, allowing toxins, bacteria, and undigested food particles to leak into your bloodstream. This triggers chronic inflammation, weakens your immune system, and leads to issues like IBS, joint pain, acne, and even autoimmune diseases. And here's the scary part. Most people don't even know they have it. If you're dealing with bloating, food sensitivities, brain fog, or unexplained fatigue, chances are your gut is compromised. But here's the good news. Your gut lining can regenerate, and Steel Cut Oats help speed up that process. If you're serious about healing your gut and fighting inflammation, hit that like button so more people can discover this life-changing info. And keep watching, because I'm about to break down exactly how Steel Cut Oats heal your gut from the inside out. How Steel Cut Oats repair your gut, naturally one. High in resistant starch. Feeds your gut bacteria. Most people don't realize this, but Steel Cut Oats contain resistant starch, a type of fiber that acts as food for the good bacteria in your gut. Unlike regular carbs that spike blood sugar, resistant starch ferments in the colon, producing short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. Why does this matter? Butyrate heals the gut lining, reduces inflammation, and even protects against colon cancer. In fact, studies show that people who consume more resistant starch have lower inflammation levels and better gut health. 2. Strengthens the gut barrier and prevents leaky gut. Your gut lining is like a security fence. It keeps the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. But when this fence gets damaged, thanks to processed foods, antibiotics, and stress, toxins leak through, causing inflammation. Steel Cut Oats contain beta-glucans, a powerful type of soluble fiber that reinforces your gut barrier, preventing toxins from escaping into your bloodstream. This means fewer gut issues, less bloating, and better digestion overall. 3. Reduces inflammation and soothes. The digestive tract. Inflammation is the root cause of almost every major disease, from arthritis to heart disease. The good news? Steel Cut Oats are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds like avenanthramides, which help calm gut irritation and reduce oxidative stress. If you struggle with IBS, gastritis, or Crohn's disease, adding Steel Cut Oats to your diet can help soothe your digestive tract and reduce painful flare-ups. 4. Regulates blood sugar. Key to gut healing. Here's something most people overlook. Blood sugar spikes damage your gut lining. When you eat refined carbs or sugar, your blood sugar skyrockets, leading to gut inflammation and insulin resistance. Steel Cut Oats, however, have a low glycemic index, meaning they release energy slowly and keep blood sugar levels stable, giving your gut time to heal without constant inflammation. 5. Detoxifies your gut. Flushes out toxins. Your gut is your body's main detoxification center. Steel Cut Oats act like a broom for your digestive system, sweeping out toxins, excess bile, and harmful bacteria. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed more soluble fiber, like the kind in oats, had lower levels of inflammation and better gut microbiome balance. How to use Steel Cut Oats for maximum gut healing. Alright, Now that you know why steel cut oats are so powerful, let's talk about how to eat them for maximum gut healing benefits. 1. Soak them overnight. Soaking oats breaks down phytic acid, making the nutrients more bioavailable. Just soak 1/2 cup of oats in filtered water with a splash of apple cider vinegar overnight. 2. Cook them properly. Cook them in bone broth or coconut milk instead of regular water. This adds extra gut-healing amino acids and healthy fats. 3. Add gut-healing boosters. For even better results, mix in chia seeds, packed with omega-3s, which fight inflammation. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar. Kefir or Greek yogurt adds probiotics to restore gut bacteria. Key takeaways and what to do next. Let's recap. Steel cut oats repair leaky gut by feeding good bacteria with resistant starch. They reinforce the gut barrier, reducing inflammation and preventing toxins from leaking into the bloodstream. They stabilize blood sugar, protecting your gut from damage. They flush out toxins, keeping your digestion smooth and healthy. If you're serious about fixing your gut naturally, start adding steel cut oats to your morning routine at least 4 times a week and pair them with gut-friendly ingredients. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried steel cut oats for gut health? What's your favorite way to prepare them? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more gut healing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.